Hey, what's up, everybody? We are in Virginia, near Roanoke, Virginia. Roanoke? I think that's where we're at. We're definitely in Virginia, though. I didn't talk this morning. Yesterday, apparently, I thought I was talking to the camera. I thought the camera was on. It wasn't on. So then when I thought I turned the camera off, I guess I turned the camera on. And so I filmed my steak dinner from my pocket. So anyway, battery was dead, whatnot. So anyway, that didn't happen. But I got this morning. Well, I guess from when I talked to y'all last. Got groceries and stuff at Walmart yesterday. Went and ate a steak dinner. Went and ate steak, and then I drove another 50 miles or something to my pickup. And I spent the night there. Got up this morning and picked up my load and drove over here to Virginia. So tomorrow we're gonna head out. I'm gonna try to get a repower on this load, because I can be there tomorrow, but it's not due till the next day. So I'm hoping maybe I can drive a couple 100 miles tomorrow, and then give the load to somebody else. Sorry, the truck over here is really rocking. So hopefully I'm gonna send a repower request in the morning and then head out, and then hopefully a couple of 100 miles down the road they can do that, and I can pick something up and head the other way. Be nice to go west. Kind of want to go west, not the northeast so much, but whatever. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, there's going to be a whole lot more today to talk about. We got I think I picked up yogurt. I think that's what we're hauling right now, yogurt. Got the reefer set at -1. Do you freeze yogurt? I'm gonna go with yeah. I'm gonna say that's how they haul it. I don't really know though, but I think that's what we have. Might be something else, but the bills aren't always very clear about exactly what it is. I mean, it's food, where it came from, but it's not. They'll abbreviate stuff, and I don't know what it is. But I think it's yogurt. Picked up at anyway. So yeah, get into I don't know if we'd be into Pennsylvania or what tomorrow. If we go a couple 100 more miles. Might still be in Virginia. Worst case, I guess we're gonna hopefully we can swap this out. Get on them about making something happen. So that's the game plan. I'm at a Flying J truck stop, so gonna go shower and watch some Netflix. We got new season of Longmire got released, so I watched about 3 of them last night. So I think I'm on episode 4. It's a good show. I don't know if y'all have ever seen it, but It's like a Netflix original show about a sheriff in like Montana or Wyoming or something. Pretty good. Check it out. So yeah, like I say, it's try to stay at the same truck stop so I can have showers and Wi-Fi. Get my Netflix on, get my shower on. So I'm gonna finish this episode, then go shower, probably come back, watch a couple more, get to sleep. I don't want to leave too early in the morning just because I don't want to get too far down the road before they have time to do a repower, you know. So probably leave here at 6 a.m. That way, you know, my manager be in the office by 8, and maybe they can make something happen. Probably should have sent the request today, but I didn't stop till I didn't really stop till they were gone anyway, and I don't know if night dispatch does stuff like that or not. I mean, I could send it now, but I'm just gonna send it in the morning, see how that goes. Still trying to get a hang of not necessarily the procedures, but the best way to work things, you know. I mean, there's work the system, I guess. Whatever. Anyway, that's it for today. Nothing too exciting. But in the morning I'm probably top off the reefer, wash the windshield. It's beautiful. Virginia's beautiful. I think we've already filmed some of it. We'll try to get some footage on the road. Try to, well, camera will be charged tomorrow unlike today, so we will have a lot better luck. So that's it. We'll talk to y'all later. Bye.